What's up, guys? Daniel Byers. Today I want to cover some concepts in solving the 4x4. Biggest takeaway of this is to utilize your inspection to start inspecting and planning for the right things, right? So immediately I see I have a half bar of white and a half bar yellow. So I'm going to actually go with the half bar of yellow. I just think that might be a better option. We'll find out. And so what I'm going to work towards, as I'm planning my first block of yellow, I want to also begin planning not just the 2x2 centers, but the entire block. So I want to start scanning out all my pieces. So I see I have a corner edge pair, another corner edge pair. I actually see the two blue yellow edges and the orange yellow blue corner, and also I see that I have another orange yellow edge pair back here. So I'm kind of thinking along the lines of U prime R U, and that was a wide U, and then toss that over, and then that's going to line up my edge pairs for the blue. So I build that, and I have that corner edge pair that we were talking about, and so I was able to easily build this I thought I was originally going to do the two edges of yellow and orange and then build this 1x1x3 of blue yellow, but instead I did solving the edge pair of the blue yellow and then doing the 1x1x3 of orange yellow. So continuing on, I see that I'm able to easily put this pair together, insert that in. So now really, what do you do at this point in time, right? I would recommend that you just keep edge pairing as is and look for the best opportunities to continue with your solve. Rather than, so I've already done all the edge pairing, and now I just have to take my, so basically I built my 2x2 centers after edge pairing, but I could do it at any point in time. And kind of utilizing that dead time while you're not seeing an edge pair, right, is when the ideal time to insert those half bars of centers in is actually. So we're here, I got a half bar yellow. I see my other two yellow. I'm also looking and I'm glancing around and I notice an edge pair of this edge pair, so I'm going to go with an L prime and then a R wide U, F prime here, noticing that an F prime, actually an F and a triple R would allow me to build this corner edge pair, and then I finish up L prime, U prime here, and then I finish up the edge pair. So with very few moves, I was able to easily build that first block. Notice that all four white edges are actually, all four white centers are on the M slice. So really just go ahead, and that means that it's going to be very easy to build this half bar like that one right there. So I saw that the half bar was there, so I just took the opportunity to trigger that in. And then I just quickly transition right back to my block building. And then just go ahead and proceed from there. You know, the thing is so watch, I have a half bar slot missing. I see that I got my first one up to the U layer. I do my R2. And then I'm going to go with a triple U prime, R prime, U2, R, triple U. And I inserted that half bar into the slot that was missing, and my first two blocks are done. One more example, and I think that this is probably the best kind of take on this, kind of explaining plus also live demonstrations of the concept. So So we're looking around and I see that I don't have any half bars right now. So I really just want to start looking for the easiest edge pairing, and I'm seeing probably my best option would be to do the yellow. So I see my 4 yellow. Probably going to wind up with a U and then a D and then F, R2, U2, building this. And then I build this edge pair. F allows me to connect this edge pair. And I'm going to actually insert this in as a pseudo block, so that way I can just focus on getting this other edge pair together once that's paired up, and then I can insert. So I did triple U2, R2 triple U2, which allows me to now, I'm going to take my edge pair, the white edge pair. I see my half bar of white already present itself. I see the green edge pair, and now I can go non-matching blocks, or if we're possibly going with an orange-white, but I see that the red-white is actually an easier solution. So I'm going to go with that option. So I now have a half bar left, and all I have to do trigger that in and cube solved. At least the first 2 blocks are. Cool, so I hope that made sense, and stay tuned for more.